Wow, this burger tastes very good right now. I love my free time after a long working day. One more bite feels harmless right now.
I bought some fresh vegetables today. Honey, you are eating too much fast food again.
But this burger tastes so good today.
That is enough for today, okay? And no more burgers tonight, okay?
Okay. I will stop now.
Okay, I trust you.
She is gone now. I will take just one small bite. She will never know about this. Oh no!
Hey, that is my hamburger. That is not very healthy, Dad. Dad, you promised Mom to stop eating it. Here, Dad, eat vegetables instead.
No way! I do not like vegetables at all.
I have an idea.
A challenge? What kind of challenge is this? If you win, you can eat the burger.
If you lose, you have to eat vegetables.
That sounds easy. I will win and enjoy the burger.
Dad, it is your turn now.
Oh no! Oh no! I need to be careful right now. She is very smart.
Checkmate. I win.
What? I lost this game. That feels impossible. This feels really awful.
Now it is time for tug of war.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! I will not lose again! This feels so unfair!
Yay! 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 We won together.
But I still want something sweet to eat. Just this once, please.
What are you doing with those sweets outside?
You promised us already.
I was just very hungry.
This is what happens when you keep eating junk food.
One more burger. And another one. This feels like paradise. Oh no, I feel very heavy now. Help me! I am floating away.
Dad, come back here.
What a terrible nightmare.
Come on, let us go exercise together.
Fine, let us go now.
Let us run together, Dad.
Wow, this is harder than I thought.
You are doing great. Keep it up.
Can I have ice cream now? Just one small one.
Really? We are exercising now.
Okay. Okay, no ice cream today. Let us keep running. Hey, this is becoming easier now.
You can do it, Dad. Dad, Mom, we want to ride bicycles.
Let us ride together.
Wait for me. I will try my best today. I think I can lead.
Wow, Dad is really fast now.
Watch this, Tom. 1, 2, 3.
Dad, you are so strong. Wow, I feel proud of you.
Look, I have abs now.
It is time to choose, Dad. Burger or vegetables?
The burger still looks tasty. But I want to stay healthy and fit. Let me think carefully. I choose vegetables today. No more fast food for me. Hey, this actually tastes good. Thank you for helping me change. I never knew vegetables could taste this good. Thank you for supporting me while I was losing weight.
I am very proud of you.